Hey, my name is Jared. I'm the Gulf States Territory Manager here at Xybix. I oversee Florida, Alabama, and Mississippi, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about our sales process and how we start a project with your facility. So first things first, you get a hold of your sales rep. So if you're in my territory, you'd be getting a hold of me. And what we do is we'll actually come out to your space and measure the room, or if you don't have the room ready for us, we can actually do a CAD plan. But what we'll do is we'll come in, measure the room, kind of get an idea of what systems will work in your space. Once we get to that process and we get a 3D rendering made for you, we'll actually start with your monitor layout. That's how we determine how big of a station you need to fit your needs. You know, you can go from 2 larger sized monitors like this with your secondaries on the side, or what's also quite common is 3/3, which I see in a lot of my facilities. What we do is we use that to kind of get a gauge on how wide your station needs to be. Once we go from there, we can talk about some of your other peripheral items, how many mice, keyboard, radios, as well as offer you a few more little perks. A lot of people get a little cold in their centers. We offer heaters as well, conveniently branded as well, just so you know where you got them from. And on top of that, we have another system that we can put in your stations, which is our Access system. We can install it directly to your county computer, or we can offer you a tablet where you can control your console from the app. What this allows for you to do is change your heaters, your fans, or lighting, either on your back paneling or down low as well. It also allows you to add customizable features, like if you have to move to a different station, you can go ahead and put your profile on there and change the station to your height and all of your custom settings whenever you move. This one that you're looking at is our dual surfaced curve. It is our most popular item because our dispatchers find it to be the most ergonomic and most effective. What we have is our customizable 3D laminate. What we avoid by using 3D laminate is we have no seams. So this is going to help keep it sanitary and easy to clean. It's super easy to wipe off. You have nothing, no breaks, as well as we have a nice curve right here, which allows for a little bit more ergonomics for the hands and wrists. Because what we run into a lot is people standing or sitting like this and pushing their hands against there. What that's going to do is kind of ease wrist fatigue, as well as we try to avoid eye fatigue, which is why we introduce our roller vision, which is one of our other customizable options where you gain 10 inches of focal depth. It is one of our patented products, and you can move it forward or backwards depending on your needs. You don't customize that one through the Access, you use that one yourself. So our task lighting is also one of our options that you like to have, especially if you keep your center nice and dark. What this allows you to do is turn the lights on so you can see your keyboard if you keep the lights off, or if you don't want them, you can actually just fold them up nice and tight and hide them right inside of our data dock. That way, if you want them out of the way and you don't want them to be a part of it, you can move them out of your way, kind of freeing up your workspace, keeping it nice and clean. So with our heaters, that allows you to kind of control how much airflow and how warm you want to be. If you're not using the Access system, you can just easily turn them on and turn them off just with the click of a button. So one of our biggest features is going to be the sit and stand capability of our consoles, which is going to be one of the biggest peak items that everybody likes to have. Fortunately for us, the weight capacity holds quite a bit. Me at 240 pounds can easily move me up and down with ease and comfort with no delay, no issues, no lagging, no sagging. Now, with this console as well, with it being our dual surface, not only am I able to move on my own, but I can also move the monitors behind me and myself at the same time. I appreciate you watching this video about our sales process. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help.